Fly-dee-da-dee-da-doo-da-dee-da-doo. The grasshopper singing and dancing merry. But at the end, he cries. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, the honorable judges. Hello everyone. My name is Aurelia from IGM Elementary School. And today, I'm going to tell you about the story of the ant and the grasshopper. Once, there lived an ant and a grasshopper in a grassy meadow. All day long, the ant would work hard collecting grains of wheat from the farmer's field far away. She would race to the field every morning as soon as it was light enough to see by, and throw back with a heavy grain of wheat balanced on her head. She would put the grain of wheat carefully away in her larder. All day long, the ant would work hard without stop or rest. All day long, the ant would work hard. The grasshopper would look at her and laugh. What a silly little ant you are! Come, rest a while and listen to my song. Summer is here and the days are long and bright. Why waste the sunshine in labor and toil? I will sing all the while neath the sunshine, neath the moon I will dance, I will play. Fly-dee-da-dee-da-doo-da-dee-da-doo, fly-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee. Above us all there will always be sunshine, and there always will be time to play. The ant would ignore him and headband would just hurry to the field a little faster. This would make the grasshopper laugh even louder. What a silly little ant you are! Come and dance with me. Forget about work. Enjoy the summer. Live a little. And the grasshopper went happily across the meadow, singing and dancing merry. Summer faded into autumn, and autumn turned into winter. The sun was hardly seen, and the days were short and gray. The nights were long and dark. It became freezing cold, and snow began to fall. The meadow and the farmer's field were covered in snow, and there was no food to be had. The grasshopper didn't feel like singing anymore. He was cold and hungry. He had nowhere to shelter from the snow and nothing to eat. Oh, what shall I do? Where shall I go? Wailed the grasshopper. Suddenly, he remembered the ant. I should go to the ant and ask her for food and shelter. Declared the grasshopper, waking up. So up he went to the ant's house and knocked at her door. What? He cried cheerfully. Here I am, singing for you. As I warm myself by your fire, give me some food from that larder of yours. The ant looked at the grasshopper and said, all summer long I worked hard and you made fun of me, and sang and danced. Well, you should have thought of winter then. Find somewhere else to sing, grasshopper. There is no warmth or food for you here. And the ant shut the door in the grasshopper's face. Yep, that is the end of my story. So guys, the moral value of this story is we should not worry too much about tomorrow, but we have to prepare for the future. The future belongs to those who can prepare it. Or you can say, wait and first that they'll have time to play. I'm Aurelia from IGM Elementary School. Thank you for your great attention and appreciation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam.